purpose of this video is to give you some tips on buying an accounting practice or CPA firm. Every month we receive many requests from CPAs and accountants all over the country that are looking to buy a firm. The unfortunate truth in accomplishing this is that there are many more buyers than sellers, which creates a lopsided demand for accounting practice sales, clearly favoring the sellers. If you're looking to make an acquisition, then here are some tips and things to look for to avoid while pursuing your dream practice. Hopefully, our advice and 27 years experience in owning, building, and selling accounting firms will keep that dream from turning into a nightmare. Number one, make sure any agreement of sale includes a retention clause. There are a few practice brokers that advise the sellers they represent to not include a guarantee on billings. While this is great for the seller, it's a disaster waiting to happen for you, the buyer. Number two, transition of the practice to you, the new owner, is critical and must be done correctly to avoid client attrition. It's best to make the sale look like a merger rather than an outright sale. Be wary of proposed sales where the seller is getting on a plane the day after closing for a retirement somewhere other than where the practice is located. Number three, review of tax returns, bank statements, billing statements, and work papers is essential for you as a buyer to ascertain the viability of what you're purchasing. This should be accomplished under a confidentiality agreement that protects the seller from any unauthorized disclosure of sensitive business information. Number four, Google the owner and the business name and see what pops up. Check to make sure that any business license or CPA credentials are in good standing and no ethical violations have occurred against the owner or any of its partners. Number five, make sure all key employees are under a non-compete. The last thing you want to have happen is you spend a ton of money to buy your dream firm only to have the lead accountant take all his clients and open up down the street. We hope you find these tips useful in your quest to locate and acquire a practice. Doing so will not be easy. As I've already pointed out, there are many more buyers than sellers. In closing, I suggest you take a look at NCI's Guaranteed Client Acquisition Programs if your practice search comes up short. We've helped thousands of CPAs and accountants build the practice of their dreams and at about a third of the cost they would have spent to acquire one. For more information on practice listings in your area or on our guaranteed marketing programs, call us at 1-888-NEW-CLIENTS. That's 888-639-2543. Or you may click on this link to visit our website.